I'm Nikki from BennettManila.com. So my question is, what inspired you to create your body care line? And can you tell us about your journey and how these products reflect your self-care needs?
Okay, bilang isang babae, ever since, sobrang hilig ko talaga na sa body care. Like, isa yan sa feeling ko investment ko. Kung kailangan kong pag-invest. So, lalo-lalo na ang body scrub. So, bilang isang babae and now, mommy na, gusto ko mas maging confident ako lalo in my own skin. So, nag-create kami ng product na hindi lang about beauty, but also about self-love and daily care. Kasi etong product namin is was made to feel you, good and to bring out your inner glow and para i-embrace nyo yung pagiging majestic nyo. So, akala ko yung sasabihin na the microphone. Thank you, Nikki.
Yeah, thank you very much. Second question will be from Mario Cristales from Hataw.
Ihataw mo yan?
How instrumental was your relationship, my way, in making this idea?
Ako rin yung kanina, ikaw.
Naninibago. Ang serious namin today, Thanks, Direct. Alright. Actually po, nung kinuha ko si Maha, 2021, sinabi niya sa akin na gusto niya ng body care. Kaya, pag-face siya. So, ang tagal na hinihintay, it took us, 4 to 5 years bago pa siya kasal. Pero sabi ko nga, para kay Mama ko talaga itong araw na ito. So, kami ay hindi lang pag-ina. Siya ay aking adik. Kaya, yung trust ko sa kanya, hindi ako lang dalawang isip. At ngayon, ay isa na siya kang nanay, isa na rin siyang mompreneur. So, kanina ay nag-e-evolve kami kasi this is a whole world for my baby. Wala po, walang anything. Lahat ito ginawa ng Forthinker, edited by Sir Rambo. Sila po lahat gumawa nito. Guess na ako today. Yes, I'm so proud of my baby girl.
Ba't ibang level ng partnership talaga? Maliban sa bilang namin siya, bilang pa doon yung relationship namin talaga naman. And kaya we are really thankful and grateful for this relationship, for this partnership. And itong bagong journey natin is mas meaningful, mas beautiful because we're doing it with you. Kaya thank you.
That's so lovely. For the third question, we have Sean Castello from Mega.
Hi, Sean. Ganda na pangalan.
Hi, ma'am. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And what can customers expect with the results of using Majeskin?
Ano nga expect? Siyempre, because kailangan may parang responsibility mo talaga is to take care of yourself, to take care of your skin. So, by using our product, so we have body wash, body lotion, and body scrub. So, with these products, for the body wash and body lotion, you should use it daily, diba? And for the body scrub, bawal ang daily po dyan, it should be like once a week, diba? Kasi ayaw naman natin na pag too much natin ginamit, ay mas dry, diba? But after using all these products, dyan mo makikita yung result. Dyan mo malalaman na ang galing ko, inaalagaan ko ang sarili ko. And mas magiging confident ka because alam mo na ikaw mismo, you love yourself. So, thank you. ako dyan. But kaya siguro kaya ko rin pinush to have my own body care line. Kasi nga, para ako rin yung natamarin. Yung gano'n, lalo na ngayon na naging mommy ako. Sinasabi nila, iba yung glow mo, mas nag-glow ka ng mommy ka. Andun yung, mas kailangan mong mahalin talaga yung sarili mo after. Because ang daming changes when you become a mom. So, with the help of Rhea and to my Ivy family, nakita niyo naman po yung resulta. Hindi po ako magpo-post ng ganyan. Kasi from January, I messaged Dr. Ivy. Sabi ko, Doc Ivy, gusto ko na maging ako ulit. Gusto ko na maging confident. And sinabi ko to na I have a product na gusto kong i-launch soon. So with their help, at syempre, ang paggamit namin ng aming products ng Majeskin, mas naging confident ako. Kaya po tayo, may ganyang photo. Kaya ako pumayag na ganyan yung mga photos na ipapakita namin today. So, eto po, si Ma Salvador, a new mom, but very confident sa sarili niya.
Grabe nga siya doon kayo. Wala na sinasabi, araw-araw ka ata kayo. Grabe siya. Kasi nga, move kami ng Victoria. Wait lang, Mana, puto mo lang ako doon kayo. Pero bilid na bilid talaga kay Maha. Kasi alam niyo mga Ilocano, hindi kami, talaga, mestiza, morena. Pero grabe siya, pag may insok mo to, walang chismis. Kaya bagay na bagay. Yes, sana talagang sobrang maligalig. Kagabi nga gusto. Parang ayaw ko nang umalis sa shower kasi napakabango. Napakaganda ng produkto ni Miss Mama Salvador.
Thank you very much. And second to last question, we have John and Liana from the Law Shop.
Hi, John. Good morning pa rin, no? Salamat po. Gumising kayo ng mga for this.
Hello po, Miss Mama.
Hi, John.
Congratulations. I am Gerald po from the MCM. So, my question is, there are body care products in the market nowadays. So, what do you think sets Majeskin apart from them?
Gusto ko naman sagutin. You know, bakit kami nag-decide to have a partnership with Mana? Beauty Derm is what? 16 years na. So, alam na ng mga consumers na pag sinabing Beauty Derm ay talagang legit, iba yung quality, right? So, itong partnership ko with Mana, alam niya kung anong kailangan ng consumers. Alam niya kung anong kailangan natin lahat. And then, akala ko parang with the other brands na hawak kay Mana, parang same lang with Majeskin yung gagawin namin. So po, I just told her, Mana, I love chamomile scent, I love milk scent, yan. So, kasi diba, kung alam niyo yung mga mommies, ako mommy ko, ano ko dyan, yung mommy ko, nagbababa niya ng gatas sa bahay namin, nung bata kami, bata ako. Yan, so isa yan. So yun yung kwento ko kung bakit milk scent. Chamomile is, di ba chamomile is very relaxed ka, very diba? So isa yun sa mga request ko. And then, the other ingredients, expertise na yun ni Mana. So siya yung, okay, ano bang maganda Mana?
Nagka-practice ka na ngayon. Kung ano nilalagay namin sa ating face, kailangan ilagay din namin sa ating body. You know, match na ito para baby. Age review?
Turning 37.
30-37 and 30-45. So, karapat dapat na kung anong ilalagay natin sa ating face. Ganun din sa mukha. So, meron siyang whitening, moisturizing, at the same time, nag-exfoliate. Kasi minsan napakabayaan natin yung ating katawan. Aminin natin, nagmamadali tayong maligo. Diba? Lalo pag may ganitong event, at maaga kayo mag-isip. Minsan, hindi na rin nakakapag-scrub. So, eto na kayong sabot. All in one, we have the scrub, we have the lotion, and the body wash. Kompleto po siya ng ingredients na pang-whiten, pang-smoothen. At the same time, it's all plant-based. So, it's all safe and very effective, of course. Yeah. Let's give very careful in buying products in the market kasi yung iba mura nga, pero nasa-sacrifice naman ang ating skin. So mas maganda na dapat daw nakikita daw sa owners, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah, because we walk the talk.
Agree.
Agree. Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
John.
Robert. Yeah, it's plant-based.
Mas nalaw na exact, finding out na plant-based na lahat ng products na ko. Alright, for the last question, it's from Nikki Juan from Manila.